An athlete jogs at 6 miles per hour and at 9 miles per hour for a total time of 1 hour, covering a distance of 7 miles. How long does the athlete jog at each speed? So on the board I have put let x equal the time at 6 miles per hour and y equal the time at 9 miles per hour. The fact that the jogger did so for 1 hour, covering 7 miles. So therefore, what we know is that the time at 6 plus the time at 9 has to add up to 1. X plus y equals 1. And then what we also know is that the distance the jogger covers in this time plus the distance the jogger covers in this time has to add up to 7. In other words, using distance equals rate times time, we would say rate of 6 times x is the distance that jogger would cover in this part. And then at the rate of 9 times the time of y, so 9y, and that total distance has to be 7. So to solve this, we have a choice of either substitution or elimination. We could solve this equation for y, which is equal to 1 minus x, and then substitute into that value of y. So we have 6x plus 9 times 1 minus x, and that's equal to 7. We need to distribute the 9, so we have 6x plus 9 minus 9x equals 7. Now, we have a 6x and a negative 9x. We can combine those together. At the same time, let's subtract 9 from each side, and we get negative 3x equals negative 2. Dividing both sides by negative 3, those cancel out, leaving us with x equals, in this case, positive 2/3. So now, we can take that value of x and substitute it in this equation, and that would allow us to find y. So I would take y equals 1 minus 2/3, and that, of course, equals 1/3. So what that tells us is that the jogger jogged for 2/3 of an hour, which is x, 2/3 hour. And remember, x was the 6 miles per hour. And the jogger jogged 1/3 of an hour at 9 miles per hour.